What's up, everyone? Today we're checking out a dash cam that aims to deliver a premium feature set without stepping into the price territory of some of the bigger names in the industry. This is the GKU D600 Pro Max, the latest version of GKU's popular D600 series, and on paper it checks a lot of boxes that drivers usually look for in a modern dash cam. We're talking about 4K front recording, a rear camera, a Starvis 2 sensor for improved low-light performance, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice controls, and multiple parking surveillance features. So, we took a closer look at what the D600 Pro Max offers, where it performs well, and whether it deserves a spot on your windshield. Let's get into it. Right away, the D600 Pro Max feels like a well-thought-out yellowish package. Inside the box, we get the main dash cam, the rear camera with its long connection cable, both a suction cup mount and a 3M adhesive mount, a car charger, cable management accessories, electrostatic films, and the usual documentation. We actually appreciate that GKU includes both mounting options. Some drivers prefer the clean, permanent look of an adhesive setup, while others like the flexibility of a suction mount, especially if they switch vehicles often. The camera itself has a clean, modern design. It doesn't look oversized or distracting once mounted. Installation is fairly straightforward like any other two-channel dash cams. The front camera mounts to the windshield, the rear camera attaches to the rear window, and then it's simply a matter of routing the cable through the vehicle's trim panels. Like most dual-channel dash cams, the longest part of the installation process is hiding the cables neatly. The actual setup itself is pretty simple. The biggest reason most people buy a dash cam is video quality, and this is where the D600 Pro Max starts to make its case. The front camera records in 4K resolution with Starvis 2 sensor, while the rear camera records in full HD 1080p. Combined with the 170-degree front viewing angle and 150-degree rear viewing angle, the camera covers a large portion of the road around us while helping reduce blind spots. In practical use, that wider coverage means we have a better chance of capturing vehicles approaching from adjacent lanes, road signs, intersections, and other important details that can become valuable during an accident investigation. Looking at the footage, the front camera delivers the level of detail we would expect from a modern 4K dash cam. License plates, lane markings, road signs, and surrounding traffic remain reasonably clear during daytime driving. The image also appears balanced with good overall sharpness across the frame. The rear footage is what you can expect from a full HD resolution, but manages to get the useful details. Daytime performance is important, but for many drivers, nighttime recording is where a dash cam truly proves itself. The D600 Pro Max uses Sony's Starvis 2 sensor along with wide dynamic range technology and enhanced night vision processing. That combination is designed to improve visibility in darker environments while helping control bright light sources such as headlights and street lamps. In real-world driving, the footage remains surprisingly usable after sunset. Vehicles, road markings, and surrounding objects stay visible without becoming excessively dark or overly bright. The camera does a good job balancing light and shadow while maintaining detail in difficult lighting conditions. One area where the D600 Pro Max feels more modern than many budget dash cams is connectivity. The camera supports both 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, along with Wi-Fi 6 technology. GKU claims download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, and while actual speeds will vary, transferring footage feels noticeably faster than older Wi-Fi dash cams we've used. This matters more than people often realize. In the past, downloading footage from a dash cam usually meant removing the memory card, finding a card reader, connecting to a computer, and sorting through files manually. With the D600 Pro Max, we can access footage directly through the GKU Go app. The app allows us to preview live footage, review recordings, download clips, save videos, and manage settings without touching the memory card. For everyday use, this makes a huge difference. If something happens during a drive, we can quickly pull over, connect through the app, locate the recording, and save it directly to our phone. No card removal, no extra hardware, no complicated process. The built-in GPS also integrates into the experience nicely. The camera records route information, speed data, and location information alongside the footage. When reviewing recordings later, that additional information can provide useful context for insurance claims or accident investigations. GKU also offers a GPS player for PC and Mac users who want a more detailed playback experience. Another feature we always appreciate in a dashcam is voice control. Instead of reaching for buttons while driving, the D600 Pro Max allows us to trigger important functions using voice commands. Voice commands only work with English. Take photo.
Picture success.
Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Turn off audio.
Mute off.
Show rear camera. Show both cameras. Show front camera. The D600 Pro Max includes several recording protection features designed to ensure important footage isn't accidentally overwritten. Loop recording continuously records while automatically replacing older unlocked files when storage becomes full. This means the camera keeps working without requiring manual intervention. The built-in G sensor can automatically detect impacts or sudden vibrations and immediately lock the associated recording to prevent deletion. There's also a dedicated lock function that allows us to manually protect important clips whenever needed. After spending time looking through everything the GKU D600 Pro Max offers, it feels like a dash cam that focuses on delivering the features most drivers actually care about. The combination of 4K front recording, 1080p rear recording, Starvis 2-night performance, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice controls, and supercapacitor reliability creates a package that feels surprisingly complete. The flexible mounting options are also a nice touch, and we appreciate that GKU includes both adhesive and suction mounts right inside the box. So, if you're looking for a modern dual-channel dash cam with strong video quality, fast wireless connectivity, useful smart features, and dependable everyday operation, the GKU D600 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. That was our look at the GKU D600 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, and as always, let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might be looking for their next dash cam.